So today we'll be changing spark plugs on Kawasaki 250 Ninja 2011 or similar year. Mine's already taken apart for other maintenance, but if you have a special tool, you can get under the tank right here. Just take the side off and get with the special tool, but since mine out, I'll use the advantage. So what you want to do is first is pop the wires first up, just kind of twist it and keep popping, and it should come up just like that. Sometimes they're stuck, see that, just like that. And then so what you need for this job is probably Allen wrench to take the cover off and other stuff, but once it's all off, you need extension. If you have a different one, it's fine. And then you get 5/8 socket for the spark plugs, and the spark plugs are the CR8E NGK. So what you want to do is take the old one off first. Mine's not too bad. Take the new one. Make sure your rubber piece is still there. Put it in this way. Everything looks good. First hand tight. Then, not sure what the torque is supposed to be, you can look it up, or you just hand tighten it with this. Make sure the rubber piece is still here. Take this and put it back on. Make sure it goes all the way in, so it has a contact. If it doesn't go in, kind of twist it and push it in so it clicks all the way, then it doesn't want to click anymore. Keep pushing in it again, double check. Then we'll go on the other side. So this might be in the way, so just pop this up so it's out of your way. You can disconnect it if you want, if it's really out in your way. Push these wires out of the way and just pry on that. Grab the tool. And tighten it first. Then tighten the wrench. sure it's snug. Take it out, make sure the rubber piece are still on it. It's on it. Check nothing's in the way. You can double check if it's tight. And put it back in. Same way, just push it in and twist it, push it in again. That's it. And then put everything back together how we took it off and start it up.